DZBB Executive Summary. DZBB Super Radio #1.
Welcome to Paraiso, where we take pride in producing quality beer for the mortal world. Paraiso Beer. Paraiso Lakas. Full-bodied, rich, at smooth. Paraiso Bighani. Citrusy, aromatic, at refreshing. Tikman at lasapin ang sarap ng Paraiso Beer. Try it today. A taste of Paraiso. Drink responsibly.
Paraiso Beer, a taste of Paraiso.
Alam mo ba hindi pare-pareho ang lahat ng generics na gamot? Gumagawa ang Rhea Generics ng mga world-class na produkto na ginawa sa parehong pasilidad ng mga brands na alam mo. Ibig sabihin ay nagbibigay sila ng parehong bisa at kalidad sa abot kayang halaga. Ang Rhea Generics ay gawa ng Pfizer, Viatris, Sanofi, GSK, Otsuka, Merck, Fresenius Kabi, AstraZeneca, OEP, Lundbeck at Boehringer Ingelheim. Punta na sa Mercury Drug at piliin ang Rhea Generics. Ito ang Medifacts para sa Rhea Generics.
Yeah, Primo, breakfast.
Big day today, Dad!
Then you need a Bigatin sandwich. Ladies' Choice ham spread, made with real ham and farm fresh eggs. Meaty busog?
Sarap!
Ready na?
Busog pa!
Starts at 12 pesos SRP.
Ang ubo ngayon, mabilis lumala. Kaya dapat advance ang gamot mo. Somyux Advance with Advanced Zinc Action. Para ang ubong lumalala, tulungang mabilis mawala. Mag-Somyux Advance.
Solmux Advance helps resolve cough with phlegm as fast as 3 days when taken thrice a day.
Unilab yan.
Carbocisteine plus zinc is the generic name of Solmux Advance. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Nawawala, bumabalik. Oh, eto na naman! Ito ulit ang back and joint pains. Sigari V ito, huwag mag-alala with Scalan. Isang tableta, up to 12 hours long-lasting bisa, kaya di pa ulit-ulit ang pag-inom. Scalan!
Unilab yan.
Naproxen sodium is the generic name of Scalan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Hi, I'm Dulce, your Asia's Power Singing Diva. From my Dulce Amor days to where I am now mentoring aspiring singers, I feel proud bringing honor to our country. At my age, I make sure I live fit and healthy with proper diet, exercise, and MX3 every day. MX3 is one of my instruments to complete the powerful rhythm and harmony of my musicality.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Mag-MX3 araw-araw para M-Extraordinary.
MX3 Capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas sa sakit.
Sing along with me and Curtis!
Nanghihinayang sa araw ko.
Uy, friend, di maka-move on dahil sa sipon?
Magbagong Neozep Z Plus, now with zinc. Mas bilis galing sa sintomas ng sipon by 2 to 3 days versus Neozep Forte.
Walang hinayang, bawi na ang araw ko.
Neozep Z Plus, now with zinc.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Phenylephrine, HCl, chlorphenamine, maleate, paracetamol plus zinc is the generic name of Neozep Z Plus. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Our all-day busugeras by Skanda and by Mike.
Pusugera, Savers Elite, busog nyo, sobrang 99 na lang.
All day, daming choices.
I'm a pusugera,
For breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
cheesy egg pizza, longganisa, cheeseburger, chicken McDo.
99 pesos na lang nationwide. I'm a pusugera. Max Savers, sulit busog meals all day para
I'm a pusugera.
Cheesy egg sal and longganisa only available during breakfast hours. Max Savers, sulit busog meals. 99 pesos na lang. All stores nationwide.
Nak, iabot mo tong 50. 20 lang naman ang isa. Bayad po!
Oh, sukli.
5 piso? Gets ko yan! 15 minus 40 is equal to 10. Manong, 10 po dapat na sukli ko.
Ay, sensya na. Galing mo naman.
Talino Activated sa tulong ng Talino Booster Formula from multivitamins, minerals plus lysine Nutriplex. With proper diet and exercise, bilis isip, todo focus at bilis diskarte pa ang anak mo.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Multivitamins plus minerals plus lysine is the generic name of Nutriplex.
Nutroplex Zero. Nutroplex with Talino Booster Formula. Tulong para bilis isip, todo focus at bilis diskarte pa.
Super Radio #1. DZBB Executive Summary.